So it turns out I do have a transfer pump. Oh! Oh God, you're coming with me. Okay. My neck hurts. So now I'm ready to actually put some transmission fluid in there. And the diff fluid. So I kind of cheaped out and I got just the normal gear oil for the transmission. Then I remember that the diff needed oil too. I didn't cheap out on that one because I only had to buy one. For the diff, we're getting this nice, pretty royal purple and just the normal Valvoline for the transmission. But now it's time to get under the car. Just get this creeper. Do you like my lighting? Yeah. Almost forgot that. Okay, we have our fill plug right here. It isn't really a socket size. You're just gonna grab any crescent that you have and just go to town on that thing and hope it's not tight. It's already loose. I should probably grab a rag. Okay, I have the rags. So now I'm gonna cut the tip of my nozzle and then fill her up. She's ready. I just realized the camera was zoomed in. I can go ahead and jam this in there. Here we go. Damn. New plan. I'm gonna try to snake it in and hope I don't make a mess. Yeah, it wasn't gonna fit that way. I have no idea how I'm gonna get 2 bottles. So it turns out I didn't even cut it where I needed to. All right, now we have a hole. So now I'm gonna gently finagle this into the open hole and squirt. You cut it still. Oh. Yeah. Whoopsie. My neck hurts. I'm just gonna sit here for a couple seconds. My neck hurts. You're coming with me. So it turns out I do have a transfer pump. So instead of doing it like the way it was before, I'm actually gonna put some thought into it before I go head first. And this should be a hell of a lot cleaner. Okay, so now that I have a transfer pump, I can just stick the other end of this hose into the transmission and pump away. Just get it up in there. There we go. I'm actually gonna snake it around the downpipe just to make it a little bit more sturdy. And she's in. Now we can just pump. Why is this so hard? This is a pain in the... Oh my God! This was supposed to be the cleaner way to do this. I'm gonna go wash my face again. All right, I might have overdone it a hair, but it's coming out the side. Oh no. And the transmission's full. Now we're at the differential. Trusty 24 millimeter. And here we go. Let's get our hose in there. And we can start pumping away. I may have overdone it again. And it looks like we can thread this guy back in. Stop the leaks. It's good. We can get out of here. Oh God. I'm not gonna lie, this was a very annoying video to make. It was just extremely messy. But with that being said, it looks like the transmission and the diff are ready to go, and we can actually start heading more into the engine bay as the build progresses. So thank you for watching. See you next time.